evening, everyone. I'm bleeding and I'm eating. I'm on my period and I'm gonna do what I eat in a day. These recipes are healthy, comforting, delicious, nutritious, light, yet satisfying. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't think I've shared any of these recipes yet. So excited for that. The inspo behind this video is in partnership with NatureCare. You might recognize their packaging. I sure did, because these are actually the tampons. If I'm buying tampons, I grab these ones. They don't have a plastic applicator. They're made from 100% organic cotton. Wanted to have a quick convo about traditional tampons and period products that contain, one, just so much plastic every single time you use a tampon. Also, importantly, the health of our bodies. Traditional tampon companies can contain so many chemicals and they're not legally required to disclose what's in them. And that's pretty disgusting, and we definitely should be considering what exactly is going inside of our body, especially our vaginas. So I thought this would just be a cool little moment to put this PSA in there. Again, 100% organic cotton, very important, which is better for the environment, better for workers, better for us, and they're also 1% for the planet, so very cool. So definitely encourage you to just consider what you're putting inside of your body. Keep a lookout for these. Buy them online, you can buy them, they're in grocery stores, drugstores, very accessible, which I thought was cool to work with a brand that you can literally just walk out into your local stores and find them there. But yeah, so happy to be sponsored by them, and I'm just gonna get into eating. Okay, I've actually never made this for breakfast, but it's gonna be really good, I think. An English muffin with Beyond beef. I'm gonna make a little sausage patty and then add just egg. This is a treat yourself brekkie. She treats me good and leaves me. Never thought she would. Don't let the past got me. The ones that drive you home. Don't say he's just a friend when I sit here alone. Don't let the stars at night be all alive. You know, don't let the bad scars be the ones that drive you. Was literally maybe one of the best breakfasts I've ever made. Hangover, period, same diff. That would hit right. Okay, I just ran some errands and I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, this was dinner last night, which was, I'll insert some clips of making it, but basically carrots, sun-dried tomato, chickpea, cucumber, red onion, yellow banana peppers, and then we made tempeh on the side, but it's kind of like wilty, so I'm gonna just spruce it up, and then I'm gonna add goddess dressing. Good evening, everyone. Time for dinner. We'll be making a very coveted recipe from New York Times Cooking. I've made this a little while ago and I was excited. So it's a turmeric, coconut, ginger soup, but I'm gonna kind of put it over rice noodles to make it a little thicker, and then you got kale at the end, so there's some nice greens, just like pretty healthy, but super filling and yummy.
This has a super zoom so I can literally see what you're eating. Yum! Tofu? A little tofu, rice noodles?
Tofu, rice noodles.
Some bubbly?
Yeah.
It's really bubbly.
It's so bubbly. We got a soda stream. And we're elated.
God bless.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Now the next day, hopefully you got some meal inspo, some entertainment perhaps, and check out Nature Care for your period needs. Thanks so much for watching, as always, and I will see you in the next one.